Hey, hey, Tiffany here, and today I am coming to you with another unboxing. Now today I will be unboxing some products from the company Truly Beauty. Now, I think by now y'all know I do love my beauty products as well. And I got it's like their grooming shaving set that I wanted to give a try. It's called their Glazed Donut shaving set. For women. So I mean, yeah. So I was like, oh, that sounds interesting. I want to give it a try. And I also got it on a subscription too, so we'll see how that goes. But this is the first. I got my box cutter handy, and this is the first package of the subscription. It's a monthly subscription that I'm getting. So like I said, yeah, we'll see how the subscription goes. They were giving like a little bit, like a percentage off if you got the subscription. So I was like, okay, yeah, why not? And if I don't like it, I can always cancel it. But Truly Beauty, they do, they're like a larger small business, I guess you could say. And they do, specialize in handmade products as well. They're kind of similar to Lush a little bit in that regard. But I am going to be doing this unboxing, and yeah, so let's just get right into it with my box cutter. Right. Okay. So let's see here. I'm gonna put it in my lap just so that it's not like, so the box flaps aren't like completely in your face, but all right. So yeah, this is kind of exciting because I have tried their products before. I did their like unicorn body moisturizer one time. But today I'm trying their glazed donut like shaving grooming kit. So, all right. So we got this. And this is the Soft Serve luxury shave butter. It's vanilla strawberry with peptides, vitamin F, and hyaluronic acid boost. So yeah, so it's basically, so this is the shave butter. Okay, and then so this is the Glazed Donut Aftershave Glow Cream. So I guess you would put it on like after you were done, after the shower, all that fun stuff. So, and this, yeah, it's basically niacinamide, vanilla, vitamin E, passion fruit, hyaluronic acid. So there's that. Yeah, it's kind of like a 3-step process from what I read on the website. So set that aside, recycle it later. And okay, so and this is the Glazed Donut aftershave oil. Yeah, they did say that they would send you a little some extras in with the subscription too, which is why I also got the subscription, because why not? And then okay, and this is the 24 karat gold black soap. So it's basically like an impurity cleanser. So it's kind of like I think you put it on like before you shave or something like that. So yeah, we're talking about shaving here on the channel today. So, but it has chamomile, salicylic acid, 24 karat gold, castor turmeric, and aloe. So yeah, so that's this guy right here, black soap. And then, they sent me this cool little gold spoon. I guess it's to scoop out the product as needed. And then also, oh, this is cute, a little razor. So yeah, so okay, but that's that package. Let me just make sure I didn't miss anything. But nope. Okay, so but that's that package. Kind of a fast one today. Just let me double check here because I thought I felt something flat in here. All right, no, I just want to make sure I wasn't throwing anything away. that's that. And I'm really excited to try all of these out. And I will maybe, you know, kind of like with all the products I unbox, um, probably do a review on them, just kind of like an update, and I don't know, maybe update on how the whole subscription thing is going. But yeah, but I might, if I do, I might review a few products at a time, just so, I don't know, but, or maybe one at a time, depending on how long I need to review a product or something like that. But yeah, but that was my, let me see if I can pick all these up at once, maybe. Yes, I can. All right, cool. So that is my Truly Beauty haul. And yeah, like I said, we talked about shaving on the channel today, but hey, you know, grooming is important. So, all right, but yeah, I can't wait to try these. And yeah, I'll definitely do an update on like some of the products I've unboxed, and just kind of discuss what I liked about them and what I may not have liked about them, if applicable. But yeah, but that's that for this. And yeah, that's it for today. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.